If anyone knows why I did that, let me know. I've had a nightmare with this basin. I changed the taps and the trap and that to match the rest of the stuff in here. Flexis that came with it were a bit too short for what I needed, so I bought some longer flexis and then realised they weren't WRAS approved. So I had to get it on, so I've had to fit it, and now I bought some WRAS approved ones, as you can see. But now I've got to fit it with it on, whereas before I did it when it was off, which was much easier. So I've had a bit of a nightmare. Can't even get down here. Now I've got to try and get up there. Hopefully it won't leak. So I thought I may as well show you my struggles. Turn the ISOs off. Yes, I know what you're going to say. That's rubbish. It is, but it's hidden. Undo these and try and replace them. I wanted to do it all while the basin was off for ease. Now I've got to struggle. Well, I should just leave plumbing to plumbers. This is the tricky part. Not easy. If big hands doesn't make it any easier. Out she comes. What do you think of my black ceiling? A little bit different. That wasn't easy to get out. The washer started going up the thread for some reason. Don't know why. Struggle. Right, next one. That feels nicer. Oh no, it's tightening up, doing the same as the other one. And they both did it. I don't know why. If anyone knows why I did that, let me know, because it seems not ideal. That's where I've got to fix the new ones into. I'm not sure I can do this whilst holding the camera in my way. I can't really see, and the camera's in the way. Oh, you get my gist. Right, I'm on. I'm just going to screw it and nip it up hand tight. I'll tell you what, if there's any plumbers out there laughing at me, watching me struggle here, and there's a better way, please let me know. Right, I'm on. Here we go. Let's get my hand there. Put these on. I just held that at the same time so I couldn't hold the camera. That one's tight. Right, that one's done as well. So we're going to turn them back on and see if they leak. Hopefully they don't, because I don't want to do it again. All appears good, but I'm going to let it all fully dry, tie a couple bits of tissue around and have a look later. So I've tied 2 bits of tissue around like that so I can see if there's a drip they'll get wet. Plumber showed me that a long time ago, so seems like a good idea. So we'll see if it's leaking. If they're still dry later and I can't see any leaks, which I can't at the minute, then I think it's been a success. That was a struggle, and I know I need to fix these pipes back lower down, these copper pipes. Right, so it's been about 4 or 5 hours later. I can't see any leaks at all. They're all dry. That's all dry. Can't see any leaks on there. All good. Thanks for watching.